Assalamu alaikum lovely kids, how are you? Today we learn alphabet C. C for cat. C for cat. And the color is green, blue, yellow, pink, red and orange. Let's start. How to draw alphabet C. C for cat. This is red. This is blue. This is green. This is pink. This is yellow. First, we take red color to fill in alphabet C. This is C. Red color is looking so pretty. Now we fill green color in cat. C for cat. Now the alphabet is D. D for dog. D for dog. This alphabet is D. D for dog. We take blue color to fill in alphabet D. This is blue color and the alphabet is D. D for dog. And now we take pink color to fill in dog. D for dog. Hope you learn it and enjoy the video. Thank you. Bye bye.